Yes, hello everybody. This is Kane from TooEasy Labs, and today I'm very excited to introduce you to our new Webflow Powerup app. Now, this app is going to enable you to elevate your Webflow projects with advanced functionalities, features, and interactive solutions. So, the purpose of this video is to walk you through the installation process and guide you through implementation as well. So, without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is head to tooeasy.dev and click on sign up. And we'll input our name and our email we want to use here, as well as a password, and click create account. And once that's complete, we're going to switch over to our Gmail client and find that email and click the verify email button. Okay, great. That's been successfully verified. So we'll hit the login button and we'll see that we get taken to the dashboard of our account. Now, on the left-hand side, we can navigate to our account settings. So, we can add our last and first name. You can see that I've accidentally put I've put the full name in there instead of the single name. So I'll just fix that and hit save. We can also add an image, among some other things there. The next tab I want to navigate to is licenses. So this is where any of your Powerup licenses are going to be stored for different projects. So we can see that at the moment, it says no licenses found. So we'll come back to this view a little bit later in the video, but that's the first step complete. Now next, we need to head to the Webflow app marketplace and find the TooEasy Powerups app. This video has been recorded before the official app submission, so my screen may look a little bit different to yours right now, but the process from this screen onwards should be pretty similar. So I'm going to click install app. And then that's going to ask me to authorize the app. So I've created a project called TooEasy Powerups for this demonstration. I'm going to click on the authorize app button and load that project in the Webflow Designer. Perfect. We can see there's a notification saying app installed, and we're going to hit the launch button to open the TooEasy Powerups app. Now we'll just wait for the loading screen, and then we're going to hit the authorize button. And that's going to ask us to again authorize the website that we would like to use this app on. So we're going to navigate to the TooEasy Powerups project and hit authorize. And now we'll just wait a moment. And great, it has been successful. So we'll hit the login button. Great. Okay, so you can see the free Powerups up the top. There's 7 of them there, and you can click on each card and move into open a drawer with information about that particular Powerup. We can also open some of the external links, such as the documentation, and that's going to tell us where we should be placing our attributes. You'll also notice some links to support, as well as an install script button. Now, if we navigate down in the app, we'll also notice there's premium Powerups there, and on the card is a lock icon. So to unlock these, we need a license key that we need to purchase. So I'll run through this in a moment, but first, let's go back up to modals and install the script. And we should see a green notification in the top right saying Powerup installed successfully. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to close out of the app and I'm going to scroll down my Webflow project, Canvas, to the first section here. And this is where I've got a design that features the TE modals. So you can see that I've just double checking I've got the attributes set up in the right places. So yes, I've got that. I've got the attribute on the close buttons. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to hit publish now that the script and the app has been installed, and open that in a new window. And let's test it out. So if I scroll down the live staging page and click on one of the cards. Perfect. The app's open and close like so. So that's great. Really simple way to have modals in your Webflow project. Okay, so I'm going to move back to designer mode and scroll down to the next demo, which is sliders. So I'm going to launch the TooEasy Powerups app again. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the app and hit the buy a license button. Now that's going to redirect us to the TooEasy.dev website, where we can hit the buy a license button for $20 US. A few moments later, the Stripe page should load where you can put in your credit card information. So I'm going to fill that out now just with my details, and obviously not to share them in this video, but I'll just block them out and hit the pay button. Okay, it looks like everything has worked. We can see license purchase success page. I'm going to click the button to view licenses. And we're taken to our account page and the licenses tab. And we can see that there's a key now. So there's a unique key that we can use for one project to grant access to these premium power-ups. You also notice that you're going to receive an email of this. So if I go into my email and just double check that I've received that same license key. Yep, perfect, there it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that string of numbers and come back to my Webflow project with the app open. Now I can click on any of these premium power-up cards and I'm going to see the field that has the heading license key, and we're just going to paste in that license key and hit the button. And there you have it. We have successfully installed up the premium power-up scripts. For this demonstration, I'm just going to install the slider script and close back out of the app. And once again, I'm going to check to see whether I've got my attributes all placed on the right div structure here. So yes, everything looks okay. Let's just check the button nav, the slide button nav. T slider track. Okay, great. Now let's come up to publish and hit the publish button. We'll just open that in a new window. Great, and just scroll down to the bottom there. So the modals are still working. There's no conflicts there with the scripts. And let's see if the slider, if we swipe left and right, great, it's changing as intended. We can also click on the thumbnails there to switch between slides. Now there's a ton more functionality we can actually add to this slider, but for this demonstration, it's really just about showing you how the app works and how we go about installing the scripts. So I do encourage you to head to TooEasy.dev and, educate yourself about each power up, and maybe it'll be useful for your next project.